How to access Storyblocks' massive video library using Pictory and enhance your visuals with high-quality footage Part 2. Enhancing your content with stock video can help convey a mood, emphasize key messages, or set the scene for some of your own videos. In Part 1, we've covered the basics of accessing Storyblocks' massive library through Pictory. In this video, it's time to take a closer look at the individual video editing features that Pictory has to offer. Pictory also offers royalty-free audio, offering the option to add audio tracks, enabling creators to make more engaging videos. Adding Storyblocks allows users to change the video in each scene that is automatically selected by Pictory's AI. Different platforms require different video formats or aspect ratios. With Pictory, users can choose between 16:9, 1:1 and 9:16. Use auto-syncing voiceovers by combining your own narration with the text already uploaded at the beginning of the video. Users can upload an audio file or record a voiceover directly into Pictory. With access to Storyblocks footage on Pictory and a range of editing features, you can create unforgettable and engaging videos. The possibilities to create stunning videos with Pictory and Storyblocks are truly unlimited.